Hello and welcome to FIELDBOSS. Today we will discuss accounts and account management. Accounts are records that store information about the clients you work for. This is the first screen that pops up when you start FIELDBOSS. If you click into an account, you can see all the information associated with any given client in one place. For example, I'm going to click into the pension account. The first tab I will see is the Summary tab. This contains basic account information. On the left side of the screen, you will see information such as the account type, the payment terms of the client, as well as the address information of the client's head office. In the middle of the screen, you will see a timeline of all internal activities related to this account. These activities could include emails, calls, as well as the closing of opportunities and quotes. This allows you to keep track of client communications and see everything that your salespeople are up to. On the right side of the screen, you have the contact and billing information for the client should you need to reach out to any individual person. You can also scroll down to see a list of related contacts. You can scroll over to the Building Locations tab if you want to see all the locations associated with any given account as well. The Projects, as well as Maintenance Contracts tabs, function in a similar fashion. The Erp Details tab allows you to see information related to the account's credits. It will show you information such as the outstanding credit balance, the last payment, the average days to pay, and the total sales to date. You can see a more detailed breakdown of this information in the Invoices tab, which will show you the amount you have billed for each activity you have performed. Although only 8 tabs of information appear initially on the account screen, you can access more information related to the client, such as the equipment that they own, as well as any service activities performed for them by clicking the Related button on the right of the top navigation bar. For example, if I click Service Activities, a list of related service activities to this account will appear. Moving on to account management, FIELDBOSS has dashboards that summarize key financial information about all accounts that are built into the system. To access this, click the Dashboards button. The average days to pay graph found in the top left corner can help you compare how fast your clients pay you and single out particularly slow payers. In this example, you can see that this account takes an average of 171 days to pay their bills. Every other account takes roughly between 30 to 60 days. In this case, it may be a good idea to follow up with this account more often or look at the credit terms they have been extended. Similarly, you can see a list of most and least profitable accounts in this chart below. This should allow you to refine your quoting and sales processes by giving you a highly detailed view of profit and loss. You should now feel comfortable navigating the account screen and using FIELDBOSS dashboards to manage your accounts. Check out some of our other videos to learn about cases and the FIELDBOSS schedule board. This has been Accounts and Account Management for FIELDBOSS. See you in the next video.